beer, pork and crackling skin. Today we are making the ultimate Bavarian pork roast. Juicy inside, crispy outside and bursting with flavor. Are you ready? Then let's roast. Let's start with the flavor base. The secret to that rich gravy. Roughly chop 1 leek, 2 carrots and 2 onions. These will roast under the pork to make the perfect beer gravy. Throw them into the Dutch oven. It's basically a vegetable mattress for the pork. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the 2 kilo pork roast with a skin on. That rind is where the magic happens. And before we start doing anything with it, we're gonna tap the meat dry. Obviously from both sides. To cut the rind, you can use a bread knife, but truly I recommend a scalpel. It's just the best and the quickest way. Score the rind in square pattern, just deep enough through the fat, not the meat. Season the underside with a mix of paprika, caraway seeds, salt and pepper. Simple, hearty and so Bavarian. Flip it, wrap the skin generously with salt. That's what gives you that shatteringly crisp crackling later. Now place the roast on the top of your veggies, rind side up. Add beer for flavor, not drinking, and beef broth. Before roasting, we also gonna add 2 bay leaves. Roast at 160 degrees Celsius for 2.5 or 3 hours. But no rest for the wicked. We're gonna still need to burst it with juices every hour. If this doesn't smell good. When your pork hits about 70 degrees Celsius inside, take it out and crank your oven up to 200 degrees Celsius for the final crisp. Remove the roast from the Dutch oven. Now for the best part, the crackling. Pop it back in the oven for 10 minutes at high heat until the skin pops up and crackles. Watch it closely, it goes from crispy to charcoal faster than you think. That look, this is what victory looks like. If you agree, hit that like button below. Now for the gravy, strain out veggies and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Pork roast usually has a lot of fat. Therefore, we're gonna use the fat separator for the gravy. Now it's time to season the sauce with salt if you like, and use the sauce thickener if you want it thicker. Oh my goodness, dark beer, roasted veggies aroma and all that pork goodness. If you want your sauce to be more silky, you can add some butter. I'm gonna skip it this time. An additional tip from me, let it rest before cutting it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Your pork roast is gonna be even juicier. So which part of roast is best? The crackling, the tender meat or the gravy? Let me know in the comments below. Bayerischer Schweinebraten goes perfectly with a cabbage. If you need some inspiration, check out my video about the German cabbage dishes or go directly for this delicious apple red cabbage.